Hello class, this is the spelling test for List 1 for February 8th, 2018. First, make sure you have selected your name from the list. If you don't select your name, your test will not go through. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type the word on your iPad. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Gate. Gate. Did you close the gate? Number 2. Make. Make. I can make a cake. Number 3. Her. Her. Do you know her? Number 4. Take. Take. Mom will take us to the park. Number 5. Like. Like. I like learning new things. Number 6. Game. Game. I played a video game yesterday. Number 7. Late. Late. I can stay up late at a sleepover. Number 8. Said. Said. Make me brand new, said Sneezy the snowman. Number 9. Some. Some. Please give me some cookies. Number 10. Would. Would. He would order a salad. Those are the words. Great job, everybody.